Good morning, children. So we are in the last chapter of this session, that chapter 13, motion. So already in the class 6 you have read about what is motion and the different types of motion. No. So let's revise a little bit. What is motion? So motion is simply the changing of place from one to another, or the movement of something is called motion. Okay. So here is the definition. The change of position of a body from one place to another with respect to its surrounding is called its motion. Okay. When any object or any body changing its place from one to another, we say that object is in motion. Okay. Then different type of motion you already read in the class 6. Rectilinear motion means movement in the straight path. Second is your circular motion, motion in a circular path. Rotational motion, motion in a circular path but about just fixed center. Periodic motion, the motion repeat itself at a same interval of time. Oscillatory motion, to and fro motion like swing or pendulum of the clock, that is your oscillatory motion. Vibratory motion means the object is in the same place but in that same place only it is only vibrating. Vibratory motion. Random motion, this motion is not having any particular time period. Random motion. So different type of motion you already have read in the class 6. Okay. So just revise that from the class 6 so you will know it. Next move to speed. So where the speed is coming? Speed term is coming from fast and slow. No. When something is racing, some race is going on. So we say fast motion or slow motion. No. What is fast motion? The motion in which the distance covered by any body in shorter period of time. If any body cover a distance or longer distance in short period of time, we say it is faster. If the same long distance covered by any body and taking lots of time, we say the object is in slow motion. No. And that fast and slow is going to be confined in the term called speed. उसका स्पीड ज़्यादा है, उसका स्पीड कम है. स्पीड ज़्यादा means fast motion, speed कम means slow motion. No. So let's discuss what is speed. Speed, a distance covered by a body in a given unit of time. Very important this term, unit of time. Means at a particular time period, a distance covered by any body is called its speed. कितना टाइम में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है उसके ऊपर उसका स्पीड फास्ट या स्लो है डिपेंड करता है. सो इफ यू गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट एनी ऑफ द बॉडीज स्पीड, सिंपली यू पुट द फॉर्मूला टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द बॉडी डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल टाइम टेकन. एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस को कवर करने के लिए कितना टाइम लिया है उसको डिवाइड करने से यू विल गेट द स्पीड. नॉर्मली यू मे हैव रीड दैट इज a bus speed is 50 kilometer per hour. This is called per. Okay, it means what? 1 hour में it cover 50 kilometer. 1 घंटा में 50 किलोमीटर का है तो उसका स्पीड क्या हो गया 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो एवरीवेयर द स्पीड इज कैलकुलेटिंग दिस है. 1 घंटा में कितना स्पीड कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है इज कॉल्ड द स्पीड ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट और बॉडी. Okay. Then you also must have read about constant speed. Constant speed. So what is constant speed? Means if any body is moving from one place to another and it covers 5 kilometer. Okay. And in every kilometer it takes 10 minutes. Like for first 1 kilometer it takes 10 minutes. And again next 1 kilometer it takes again 10 minutes. So for each and every kilometer, cover 5 kilometer, for each and every kilometer it taken 10 minutes. So we say this, the object is in the constant speed. Means the speed is not changing. But like if I compare with a butterfly or any flying object, okay, like a bird. So sometimes they are become slow, they are become fast in motion. So that is not called constant because their speed is changing. if the changing of place is constantly the changing while they are changing their places from one to another, the motion is constantly changes, like slow or fast, then fast and slow. So we say that they are not in the constant speed. If the object is moving or covering a distance in the same interval of time again and again, same distance, same interval of time, we say that constant speed. Okay. So from here we are going to read about another one that is called uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay. So we read about uniform and non-uniform motion. So uniform motion, and next non-uniform motion. So what is this? Let's see, write the definition. I'll write the definition of this. If any object changes its position at a constant speed, so we call them, they are in uniform motion. अगर constant speed रहेगा, क्या रहेगा? Speed will be constant. It's not going to be changes. Okay. Constant speed. So we say it. They are in uniform motion. If, just opposite of this, if any body or object changes its position randomly or not with constant speed, so we call that non-uniform motion. Okay, so if I am going to give the example of this, so you can write like a also motion of a human being is not constant. Okay, so you can say motion of a bird or human being, that is not uniform. Okay, because we are not going to cover the same distance in the same interval of time. But uniform, if I couldn't give example, a car covered a distance of 50 km at 1 km in 10 minutes each. Means हर 1 किलोमीटर को उसने 10 minutes में cover किया है. So it having a constant speed. So I hope you understand uniform motion, non-uniform motion. So uniform means the constant speed. Whatever the object is, it is moving in a constant speed. We call them uniform. And if the body is not moving in a constant speed or randomly they are changing the position or motion, so we call them non-uniform motion. I hope we're clear. Next class will proceed further. Thank you.